see through break 46-48 with 12-13 draft prospects and 13-14 crown. Just what I did. I did see it. I was jealous. So I'm just going to read out the base cards. I'm pretty sure that's how Brown does it. So I have Jonathan Drouin, Laurent Dauphin, Al McInnes, Wendell Clark, Bo Horvat, Lanny McDonald, and Mike Modano. A game-used jersey of Darnell Nurse for the Oilers. I did, Jester. I really did. An autographed memorabilia, looks like a patch autograph of Tristan Jarry. Tristan Jarry. An autograph of Josh Morrissey. Ooh, that's a good one. An autograph for the Ottawa Senators, Curtis Lazar. Curtis Lazar for the Senators. And a gold autograph for the Carolina Hurricanes, Elias Lindholm. Elias Lindholm gold auto. Alright. On to Crown Royal. Thank you, Leafs. Look at you being helpful and nice to me. I have a red number to 99 of Nicholas Cronwall for the Detroit Red Wings. And an Heirs to the Throne jersey from the Nashville Predators, Austin Watson. Austin Watson. A Majestic Marks autograph for the Carolina Hurricanes, Jeff Skinner. Jeff Skinner, once a week. But I'm nice 24/7. For the New Jersey Devils, rookie royalty autograph number to 499, Harry Pessin. Harry Pessin. And for the LA Kings, I have a silhouette number 13 of 25, Rob Blake. Number 13 of 25 for the Los Angeles Kings.